Hello everybody! Today we are going to go through the making of a nice decorative item, simply done but with a beautiful result. We will start with a simple comb shape, a circle looping. You should all know this shape by now, but just in case you don't, click the card on the screen or check the description for the tutorial that will help you. I created 11 pieces in total, 5 blue and 6 yellow in my case, and started assembling them into a petal. I joined them side by side, intertwining the colors and creating a two-colored petal. When finished, I added blue strip to form the top layer and then curved the petal with my fingers a bit to finish its appearance. Eight beautiful petals later, and now I can start creating a flower out of them. As the support for my decoration, I chose a nice piece of balsa wood and I gave it a darker look with a few coats of wood stain or varnish. I started gluing all of them into a circular pattern or my piece of wood. I used a stronger glue than my regular one and I waited a while until it was dried. It took some time until everything was strong enough to work with, but it was worth the wait because it ended up really nice. To complete my decoration, I surrounded the flower with some swirls. I added on the screen the card that can take you to the ultimate swirls tutorial, a gathering of a lot of models, among which you can find this one too if you want to check out the detailed way of making it. When this was done too and I was satisfied with the arrangement, it was time for some leaves too. This type of leaf is shown in the second part of my leaf tutorial and has the number 8. Again, I added the card on the screen and also the link in the description. For my flower to be complete, it needed a middle and I decided to form it from 2 shiny trinkets that I had in my box of magical goodies. I glued them together and also on the flower, waiting for the strong glue to be well dried, and even though they are 2 separate pieces, they look very well together, don't you think? And that's it. Hope you liked today's video and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. I believe this cute arrangement I created today will look very well hanged on a white wall because all the colors will pop and all the eyes in the room will be instantly drawn by the center flower. As I mentioned, the wood I used is a balsa wood which is very light and will not weigh much when put on the wall. You can also handle it much easier than a normal piece of wood. Just be careful with it because you can easily leave scratches or scuff marks on it if you are not paying attention. As for the varnish, I applied it with a brush in 4 coats, each time giving it time to dry. Each coat gave the wood a darker color and I'm glad it did because it had a light shade and it really didn't have any appeal to it. The darker tone goes way better with the ones I used for the flower and the swirls. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Take care.